Hello friends, today we are learning about sternum. Sternum. The sternum is a long, flat bone that can be felt just under the skin in the middle of the front of the chest. Parts. The sternum consists of three parts: manubrium, body of the sternum, and Xiphoid process. Anatomical point or side determination of sternum. Manubrium, convex part direct anteriorly, and body of the sternum has 3 to 4 rigid line which parts direct anteriorly, and Xiphoid process triangular angle direct inferiorly. Feature of manubrium: triangular shape inside of jugular notch 1/3 and 2/3 convex anterior lower, posterior 1/3 concave and 2/3 flat and smooth, border, superior border, inferior border to lateral border, jugular notch to clavicular notch, and notch for first costal cartilage. Body of the sternum surface anterior 3 to 4 rigid line and posterior flat and smooth, border superior inferior, notch for 2nd to 7th costal cartilage, and Xiphoid process, two surface anterior and posterior, three border superior to lateral border, and triangular shape inferior angle. Joint: Manubrium-sternal joint, Xipho-sternal joint. Muscle attachment of sternum. The sternum anterior aspect, manubrium, upper parts, sternal head of sternocleidomastoid muscle, sternal head of sternocleidomastoid muscle, pectoralis major, manubrium, and rectus abdominis. Posterior surface, posterior aspect, sternohyoid, sternothyroid, and sternocostalis muscle. Thanks for watching this video.